Yep, that's the one.
Oh, I'm sure so many people are gonna hate on me for that.
We've all done shit like that. Big deal.
Don't worry about it. Give a fuck what other people think.
No, that's true. A little experience in the bike. We're gonna hurt it any. No. Rod out. Get out of your way a little bit.
Bad mistakes make for good stories.
Yeah, well, as long as you learn from them.
Oh, I'm gonna have to ride like an old fart on my way home.
I seen it on somebody's t-shirt today.
It doesn't take long. It doesn't take long to break that tire in. There you go. See how nice that tool works? Is there?
Where's the other part of it?
Right there. Take it back and weld it. We're working on it. Pull it out. Where's your screwdriver at? Just to rotate a little bit. Here, let me rotate a little bit.
Oh, I got it.
Okay, I rotated it. Pull out?
Yeah. Oh, now it's back in.
Okay, I'll rotate it.
Let me put the thing on.
Get your dingy dingy.
Oh, it's back in again. Hold on.
Smitty, where's the tool bucket?
I did it.
I need a 9/16 double end box wrench.
I have one right here. Oh, wait, not a double end.
Is there a washer you gotta put on there yet too?
Oh, yeah. Washer.
You want to put some Loctite on that nut? Go get some Loctite. Put on there.
First, we just gotta see if it works.
Oh, it'll work.
Oh, you did a nice job of welding that thing. Shit.
Yeah, they even welded some chrome onto there.
Put chrome on it too. Double box wrench. That's too big long. Big long wrench. Bingo. Perfect. Okay, you got it connected now?
Yep. Shit, now it works better.
Okay, let me take the wrench off with hope.
Happy now?
It seems to work.
Yes. Good as new. Did you bend the pedal any?
No.
Put your seatbelt on this time.
Okay, now I need to tighten this guy. That's too much.
What do you mean it's too much?
Well, my pedal won't return if it's...
No wonder it fell off. The damn nut was loose. Why didn't
Yeah.
you adjust the tension?
He's got another nut as a spacer.
So why don't we get a different size spacer in there?
Yeah, that would be a good call.
What are you hitting on? Where's the edge of the shaft at? All you need is a washer on there. You gonna need threads on that thing?
I need a spacer. See? There's no threads here.
What are you tightening against?
This.
Yeah, but where's the threads that you're tightening them with? There's no threads on the damn thing.
Yeah, there are.
Not
Just
very
put a
much.
bearing there. Small bearing. That's a thought. You can get yourself a good control piece that's threads on it. And doesn't have to be
POs that might have them laying around the house somewhere.
Yeah, I need another foot controller.
yeah.
Try that nut thinner.
But
We need to get a new piece in there. I have the new pivots to go in there, but you can probably get a hold of a panel. Smitty's probably got one of them laying around, old one. That stuff's dangerous as hell. That's why the pedal came off.
see, now it's too
Yeah, there's no stop on the nut, that's why. Just leave it. Yeah, you're gonna have to. We just gotta get you. We gotta get you a different pedal, or fix that, or fix that pedal. So I got the replacement studs that go in there and fixes it.
Just double nut the end and leave a little gap. Drill a hole, put a cotter pin in it. That's what I do. I use it now.
Getting all the tricks. Yeah. So there's where the new tire mark is in. See?
That's how you don't break in a new tire.
No, you were way too far over on the side. That's the problem.
Yeah.
excitable boy.
See, this is not used, this is used. See, it's the other way around. Harley only used it to here, not use this. You did the opposite. I didn't see no tire smoke though.
All we should do is put it up on the jack, run it, and take some 80 grit or something, let them roll the tire around.
No, you just gotta not jump on it.
Scrape it.
Fine, once you ride it, you just can't jump on it. Every new tire has the same problem. Doesn't matter. They're all the same.
Yeah.
Just like new brake pads. You don't go over slam in the back of a car and hit the brakes and think you're going to stop. You just go right into the car because the brake pads don't work yet. They got to be beated in.
That's the first time I ever had that with a new tire.
Yeah, I think it's the tire, man. I think it's a defective tire.
Yeah, the rubber's too black. That's the problem, right? Yeah, whatever. Let's see, who's this? Hello. We'll be here a while. All right, I'll be back. What was that? Okay, what was that dumbass comment you said?
Let's get the camera rolling just in case it happens again.
You can go show them how to do it?
What? No, not me. I can't even start mine.
All right, round 2. Look at that shiny new brake on there. Boy, that's the shiniest thing in the whole bike. There we go, now it runs. See, it likes being on the ground. It likes being on the ground. Starts right up.
Yeah. It helps when you don't flood it.
Yeah.
I didn't have it retarded.
Oh, it starts with not being retarded?
Well, it's kind of warm.
Oh, okay.
Alright, very slow.
Be careful in the corners.
Yeah, very slow.
Yes. Not quite that slow, but okay, that's good. That's a little bit too baby. Something in between it, that would have been nice. But
Not like he's, you know, got all this.
he's taking it easy on it now. So.
Rolling by.
It's alright, better be a little easier than too fast like you did it. Oh, Scooby don't like that.
That's it?
Problem? This brake pedal is a piece of shit again.
The pedal or the brake?
Watch.
Oh, it's sticking on?
Yeah, it keeps getting stuck here, so I gotta re-bend it out.
What's it hitting on?
It's hitting on the bolt.
The fucking nut is the problem.
Oh, it's because my thing got pushed in. This little chinga. That's why.
Oh, you're on the slot. Okay.
Yeah, that's why.
Well, it's at, what, a ½ inch? Where's my tool?
No, it's a metric, believe it or not.
Oh, great.
Fits all.
American. It's American thread made in Taiwan. China. Let's see, that's on my crescent wrench. Where's the smaller one at? Oh, geez. Stupid ass crescent wrench in here. Yeah, well. Who's got my small crescent wrench?
That's why I turned around, because my brake was
Broke. We're
Yeah.
working on another bike and then.
Okay, you don't have to be quite so slow riding it, but
A little more time.
if you feel comfortable doing that much of a slow, you can.
But if you want, you can come bring me my phone. It's a Tatro.
Alright, that's not gonna go anywhere.
All right, much better. Push on it now. Oh, look at that, it works again.
It's like it's supposed to.
Okay, a little bit more throttle this time, but not like the first time.
No, I was just letting you know.
Yeah, not like normal.
Yeah, just ride like a normal person. Come on, Scooby. Come on. There we go. Turning it on.
That's a pretty cool bike.
Scooby did not like that firework just went off over there. Hey, calm down, Scooby.
It's come a long ways.
Yeah.
What it was. Yeah.
Oh, it's yeah. We've got a lot of work on that bike.
Transmission's been gone through. He's done work on the motor.
The motor's all rebuilt by Wayne.
Oh, I know, but
Nice. All right, you should be good to go for a little bit. I'll be back.
No,
You don't want to turn on the bike anymore.
it's not that. I've been down way harder than that in my life.
Yeah,
but
get used to it.
I just don't want to go down up there away from the shop right now. I'm gonna just ride like an old fart on my way home. That's fine.
All right, see the glaze here's going on here. So you're not leaning. See the mark right here?
Nope, I sure wasn't leaning.
Yeah, so you got to lean this to get this worn away, and then you'll be fine. So this is wearing in already, and like I said, this is still virgin new here. See, it's still shiny. That's what you got to get off, that shininess. So just lean a little bit further. Just do it in a slow turn. That's all. You just don't want to have the power on when you're doing it.
Just like put the clutch in and
you had the power on. You jumped on it right there, and you had probably 3/4 throttle on it. You didn't think you did, but you did. So once all that crap gets worn off the tire, it'll be fine. You just see the shyness. See, it's right there where you're not leaning at all. You can see it. How'd it feel on that?
The brakes are terrible.
They're terrible. They're not working or what?
The back hardly works. I can't
that's
stop.
just because you're breaking it in, right?
Push on it. So leave the brake on. while
I'm stomping on it and it don't work.
Put the brake on and turn the throttle on while the brake is on, and burnish it in. You got some heat into it.
Did you get new brake shoes too, or just
No.
those?
Just new drum.
It'll burn it in. So
It don't work at all.
you got a lot of free play in it right now, but
Tighten it up.
so just put your brake on with the throttle going and get it hot. When you start to smell it, then get off it and let it cool off. You got to burnish them in.
Well, man, how you doing?
All right. So ride it like that, and that'll burn in. You readjust the shoes after it cools off tomorrow. Readjust the play out of it, because you're going to be eating up a lot of material.
Yeah, so I'll go ride it around the block again.
Yeah, you do that too. Just put the brake on, just get it hot. The drum's probably not even really hot back there, but
I wasn't going fast enough.
No.
Really.
it's warm, but it ain't hot at
Once
all.
I discovered it wasn't working, I was like, I'm not gonna go fast.
Yeah.
I can't stop.
Yeah, just put the brake on, just leave it on. Do it 2 or 3 times like that, and it'll burnish it in.
Or just go down the hill.
It's best just to turn the power on and do it that way. Just let the power do it. You can control it easier. It's called beating in the brakes.
Yeah.
Stuff up on the top there.
Nice to meet you, bro.
Okay, so we went out there and burned the brake in, so beat it in, so it's starting to lock the wheel now. So that's starting to work a little better. And that's going to break in too.
Yeah.
So you heat cycled it what, once or twice right now? Just once?
Just once.
Okay.
But then I went down a pretty long hill and just,
Did some more.
yeah.
The thing is, once it starts to stink, get out of it, let it cool off,
Yeah.
because you don't want to glaze it up, and then get back on them again. Do that 2 or 3 times, and that'll beat them in.
Yeah.
And then everything should be working good.
Yeah.
And then, obviously, you got new brake. The machine on the drum is rough, so we got to get that burnished in too.
Yeah.
And there's an oil and residue on the drum, even though we wiped it out.
Yeah.
There's still residue that had to burn off.
Yeah.
So that's why it didn't work the first time you rode it. And the tire now is getting, see, now you got a nice even color, more even. It's still a little soft right here, you can see,
Oh.
because you're not leaning over super far yet.
No, not. But I'm getting the nipples off a little.
Yeah, it's starting to, like I said, it's starting to get a little something going on. See, it's not real slimy like it was. See, it's actually got a little, feels like rubber
And it's
again.
a little warm too.
Yeah, that'll all help, but it's just, so just don't jump on it hard.
No, I'm gonna just surface street at home.
And when you do jump on it, you just gotta know it's gonna probably slide for a little bit, and then,
Well, now I know, so I can anticipate. I can ride a slide if I know I'm going there.
yeah, well, that was way too far gone, so.
Yeah.
You
I
were,
didn't know that was gonna happen.
you were on the gas heavy when it did it, so.
Yeah.
And this is all working for you now?
Yeah.
No more
it
problem?
is. It is
Okay.
working the way I like.
Smitty's gonna check on the pedal for you, the bracket.
Oh, okay.
If nothing else, I have NOS studs, Harley, for those, and then I also have the Colony oversized ones if your pedal's worn out.
I have another one that I actually bought for a rainy day, but I don't know if it's the right one. It's just the stud itself. So to weld it in.
Just weld it in, yeah.
Yeah, so I don't know if it'll fit, but I do have one.
It's a matter how loose the pedals are. Usually the pedals are pretty loose, so I used to oversize one and I just honed the pedals out to fit. Okay. And when I put the genuine Harley ones on their standard size, so we got worn out pedal, it doesn't help a lot. You know, it helps somewhat, but not all the way. But anyway, I would get some better nuts on that because you don't want to lose your rear brake because the front one ain't doing squat hardly. So.
Yeah, fiddly.
And then check the torque on this here after a couple days and make sure it's staying put.
Yep.
You know, new parts, they're going to fit each other in.
Okay.
And then so all that's good to go. And just you know, just take it easy. Don't get on too hard.
No, I'm not. I'm gonna ride
tomorrow easy. You'll be able to hammer it pretty good, but just you know, take it easy for now.
I'm gonna ride easy on the way home.
Yeah, well, you know what the point is. You already found the slipping point, so.
Yeah, I sure did.
Yeah, well, you're in the driveway. You said you found it over there in the parking lot. You're finding it.
Yeah, up there at the school.
Yeah, so you got an idea where it's at. So just stay below that.
Yeah. Yep.
You know, the more you ride it, the more that point's going to move up. So we'll be back on the hard again tomorrow. No big deal.
Sure.
So, usually I take them out and burn them in pretty good for the customers, but I get on them hard. But you always start, like I said, when you first take off, you take it easy on it, and then you progressively ramp it up. By the time I'm back to the shop here, I've been on it pretty hard already.
Oh yeah, it's been a while since I had a new tire. So
it's just like when I break motors in, I'm on it pretty hard when I first get on them, but you have to know, you just have to expect it, so you weren't expecting it, so.
No.
Now you know. But
yeah.
I told you to keep it easy, but you didn't listen, that's the problem. So.
Well, I thought you meant like, yeah.
Yeah, I meant like taking off, yes.
You were doing it on purpose.
Oh, yeah, he did what's on purpose. He had the throttle on.
I thought he was going to do 360.
He leaves pretty hard anyway. You drive hard, so that's good. Just got to be careful. Just not on a new tire.
Yeah, I'm going to be easy.
Got to take it easy slightly, you know.
Yeah.
Those are older tires too. They're not like they're made just this week, you know.
Oh, they are?
And those are harder rubbers. Those Metzlers are old, you know, they're harder rubber back then. So.
Oh, Metzler's a good tire. It's a good tire.
It'll live good. Yeah. We know it's hard. Look how hard it was put on the damn rim. That is a hard tire.
Yeah.
You know, that was probably one of their touring tires. It's got harder rubber on it. It's not the sport bike version. That's for damn sure.
It'll last.
Yeah, so it'll be good on that. But all right, so you're good to go on this.
Yeah, all's well that ends well.